Welcome to Review Source. When efficiency matters and every fastener counts, having your hardware right on your wrist makes all the difference. Whether you're working on vehicles, home repairs, or construction, fumbling for dropped screws isn't an option. Today, we're covering the best magnetic tool wristbands, chosen for their magnetic strength, comfort, durability, and real-world performance. We've looked at everything from basic straps to high-tech versions with built-in lights. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Now, let's get started. Number 1. RAK Magnetic Wristband. We're starting with the RAK Magnetic Wristband. This is a practical addition to any DIY enthusiast's toolkit. It combines convenience with solid build quality without trying to be something it's not. It packs 10 strong embedded magnets that securely hold screws, nails, bolts, washers, and drill bits. This thing keeps your essential hardware within arm's reach while you're working. It eliminates those constant, annoying trips back and forth to your toolbox. That's especially useful during fast-paced tasks like carpentry or home repairs. The wristband features a breathable mesh material that helps reduce sweat buildup during long work sessions. The adjustable strap ensures a snug and comfortable fit for most wrist sizes. Its versatility stands out because you can wear it on the wrist, attach it to a belt, or even hang it nearby. Whether you're tackling construction or auto repairs, it adapts well. It's a budget-friendly workhorse. While it doesn't include advanced extras like LED lights, it excels in delivering reliable magnetic strength. It's a dependable choice for anyone who values efficiency on the job. Number 2. MagSnap Magnetic Wristband. The MagSnap Magnetic Wristband offers a unique blend of nostalgia and practicality. It's inspired by those classic slap bracelets, but redesigned for real-world utility. We've seen a lot of designs, but this snap-on mechanism is incredibly easy to wear and remove. It's a big advantage when you're switching between tasks quickly and don't want to mess with Velcro. It's equipped with 15 powerful magnets, providing excellent holding capacity for screws and even smaller tools. Inside, the breathable mesh lining enhances comfort during extended use. This prevents irritation or overheating when things get busy. This wristband shines in versatility, serving handymen, construction workers, and even hobbyists handling sewing pins. Its lightweight construction ensures it doesn't feel bulky, yet it remains sturdy enough to handle demanding tasks. The playful yet functional design makes it an excellent mid-range gift option too. While it may not have additional features like built-in lights or pockets, its magnetic performance is top tier. It's a clever design that makes everyday projects smoother. If you hate traditional straps that pinch, this is the one for you.
Number 3. Eledume ELEBAN01 Magnetic Wristband. The Eledume ELEBAN01 Magnetic Wristband distinguishes itself with a feature-rich design. It goes way beyond standard magnetic wristbands. With 16 powerful neodymium magnets, it offers impressive holding strength. It secures screws and even small tools like pliers or wire cutters. This thing is a beast. One of its standout features is the detachable flashlight. It's extremely useful when you're working in low light conditions, like under sinks or inside engine compartments. This added visibility improves precision and safety. Another unique addition is the magnetic back panel. It allows users to attach their phone, making it easier to follow instructions hands-free. Comfort is well addressed with a padded thumb loop. This stabilizes the wristband and prevents it from sliding or rotating while you're moving your arm. The adjustable strap ensures a secure fit for different wrist sizes. This wristband is a premium choice for professionals like electricians and mechanics. While it's slightly more complex than basic models, the extra features justify the design. It's a highly versatile and innovative option for those who want more than just a magnet.
Number 4. GRENPRO Magnetic Tool Wristband. The GRENPRO Magnetic Tool Wristband is built with durability and practicality in mind. It's a strong contender for heavy-duty tasks. It's constructed from rugged 1680D Oxford fabric, designed to withstand wear and tear in demanding environments. This isn't some cheap fabric that's going to fray after 2 jobs. The wristband features 15 powerful magnets distributed across multiple positions. This ensures even weight distribution and easy access to tools while you work. One of its most notable advantages is the inclusion of 3 LED flashlights. These add significant value by improving visibility in dim or confined spaces. Additionally, the wristband includes small storage pockets. These offer extra room for non-magnetic items like plastic anchors or zip ties. The adjustable strap allows for a comfortable fit across different users, while the bright accents enhance visibility. This model is particularly suitable for professionals who require both toughness and outed functionality. It may feel slightly bulkier compared to simpler designs, but the trade-off is enhanced utility. Overall, the GRENPRO wristband delivers a well-rounded combination of strength and long-lasting performance for any job site. Number 5. Turtleback Magnetic Wristband. Finally, the Turtleback Magnetic Wristband focuses on durability and high-end materials. It offers a reliable solution for holding small metal tools during various tasks. It's built with a ballistic nylon exterior, designed to handle tough working conditions while maintaining its structure. Inside, the soft felt lining provides a comfortable fit. This reduces irritation during prolonged use, which we really appreciate. The wristband is equipped with strong, rare earth neodymium magnets. These can securely hold screws, nails, washers, and even small hand tools. It's a no-nonsense design that works consistently well. Its lightweight design ensures it doesn't feel cumbersome, even when loaded with multiple items. The adjustable strap accommodates different wrist sizes, making it accessible for everyone. While it does not include extra features like flashlights or pockets, it excels in simplicity. This makes it an excellent high-end choice for users who prefer a straightforward tool. Whether used in home improvement or professional trades, it performs exceptionally. The American-made quality is evident in the stitching and the magnet strength. Overall, the Turtleback stands out for its robust construction and user-friendly design. It's a dependable and long-lasting option for everyday professional use. And that wraps up the top 5 best magnetic tool wristbands. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Review Source, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tool picks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.